Is that real life?
I love you more than that maiden.
Piper, throw up for me. Throw up. You can do it. You can do it. You can do. Yeah, that's right.
Corruptly abusing his office for his personal political gain here, trying to pressure.
Come on. No.
Oh no. Two.
He hate when I touch his stuff. He on another cat tree. But just because I'm touching this one, he about to get irritated and come over here. I'm touching his stuff. I'm touching his stuff. I'm touching. Oh!
Look at all these dumpster cats. Like, look at them. They're all just... You look like you don't have a single thought behind them eyes.
God damn it!
What I found from my taser before I got my gun. Sorry.
Mowgli, drop the rat. God damn it. Quit bringing birds in here.
No! Thank you so much.
Oh.
Playing a game of whack here. Whack!
Can I see it? Why did you print this?
Oh, you're awake. Well, your teeth are finished, and your gums should be here by the end of the week.
Where's my dick at? Where?
Baby, stop.
What are you up?
I gotta go to the bathroom real bad with spicy diarrhea.
That's suspicious.
You stupid little runt. I own you. You're my bitch. So don't walk around here thinking you have free will, because you don't. I can crush you anytime I want. So settle in, because you are here for the long haul.
Okay, step 1, you have to touch the belly and then you have to pet the cat. From there, you immediately have to start patting. Pat until the cat turns around to bite you, and then push it over. This disables the kill drive. And once those steps are completed, you are free to belly rub. I have tested this on every cat, including your cat. You're welcome.
You gotta bring out your cat.
Zig. Hey, Ziggy. Why'd you poop on the floor? You're not in trouble, I'm just...
Give her some space. I get that you I get you love her, but she needs space.
Something doesn't feel right. Sorry. Looks like this is it for me. Hey, It's okay. Is it good? It's okay. Yeah, close the door. Close the door. Winnie.
No, you stop. That's my food.
Oh my god. I can hold it.
Did you get it?
Hi, baby. Yeah. What? Baby. Yes.
will only cost your hands instead of your life.
Hello. Hello.
Don't stick your fingers in there. Wait. What'd you do? Oh, what a That's my paper. Wait, no, get your hands out of there. Go away.
So I pretended to throw a treat, and he ran for it, and now he won't stop staring at me with this look of disappointment.
Really? I needed to. Had a consequence.
So, sorry if this is the wrong time, but I need a shite.
I feel like you're about to attack him. Cinder.
Don't do it. Cinder, no. Cinder! Milo, are you okay?
What are you doing? No lights? Are you messing with my duvet cover? Sir? Excuse me, can I help you with something? What are you doing? That's new.